Hello, Aslam Alaikum. This is my YouTube channel, Computer Technology. Subscribe my YouTube channel. आज हम पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल एमसीक्यूज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. Question number 1. In Microsoft PowerPoint, which application views work best for adding slide transition? A. Slideshow view. B. Slide sorter view. C. Slide view. D. Notes view. इनमें से ऑप्शन कौन सा करेक्ट है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू. Question number 2. Which of the following cannot be toggled from view toolbar? A. Control toolbox. B. Slides. C. Revision. D. Reviewing. E. None of these. इनमें से ऑप्शन कौन सा करेक्ट है? A option is correct, control toolbox. Question number 3. Which is the best view for getting your thoughts for a presentation out on the computer? A. Outline view. B. Notes page view. C. Slide sorter view. D. Slide view. E. None of these. इनमें से ऑप्शन कौन सा करेक्ट है? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, नोट्स पेज व्यू. Question number 4. In Microsoft PowerPoint presentation design, regulate the formatting and layout for the slide and are commonly called A. Design plates. B. Templates. C. Placeholders. D. Blueprints. इनमें से ऑप्शन कौन सा सही है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट, टेम्पलेट्स. Question number 5. PowerPoint can display data for which of the following aid in software of MS Office? A. Equation editor. B. Organization chart. C. Photo album. D. All of these. E. None of these. Option D is correct, all of these. Equation editor, organization chart and photo album. Question number 6. The arrangement of elements such as title and subtitle, text, picture, tablets, it's called A. Layout. B. Presentation. C. Design. D. Scheme. E. None of these. Option A is correct, layout. Question number 7. How many steps are there between start and finish in auto content wizard? A. 3. B. Multiply. C. S. D. 6. E. None of these. इनमें से ऑप्शन कौन सा करेक्ट है? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट, 3. Question number 8. In Microsoft PowerPoint, we can replace a font on all slide with another font using option A. Edit fonts. B. Tools fonts. C. Tools replace fonts. D. Format replace fonts. इनमें से ऑप्शन कौन सा करेक्ट है? D is correct, format replace fonts.